Want to get more out of Windows Device Manager? Beyond checking drivers, it has several useful features for troubleshooting and identifying hardware. In this guide, I'll show you some practical tips and tricks you can use. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. For faster access, you can also click the Start button and select Device Manager. Keep this shortcut in mind whenever you need to troubleshoot hardware. Device Manager groups hardware into categories. Click the arrow beside a category to see individual devices. You can quickly check display adapters, network adapters, Bluetooth, USB controllers, and more. If a device isn't visible, open View and select Show Hidden Devices. This can reveal devices that aren't currently connected or were previously installed. This is especially useful when troubleshooting old hardware or drivers. Another useful option is Scan for hardware changes. Open the Action menu and select it. Windows will refresh the device list and search for hardware that isn't currently showing. Seeing a yellow warning icon, right-click the device, select Properties, and check device status. Windows may show an error message or code that gives you a clue about the problem. Open the Driver tab to see the provider, date, and version. You can also update the driver, roll it back when available, or uninstall it for troubleshooting. For detailed hardware identification, open the Details tab and select Hardware IDs from the Property menu. These codes can help you identify unknown hardware and find the correct driver. For an even faster method, press Windows and R, type devmut.msc and press Enter. This opens Device Manager directly, so it's a handy shortcut worth remembering. And those are some useful Device Manager tips and tricks. Use hidden devices, hardware scanning, device status, driver details, and hardware IDs to troubleshoot more efficiently. Keep these shortcuts handy whenever Windows hardware acts up.